Hello, welcome to another session of my video. It's a beautiful morning from here. I say beautiful morning from here in Maryland, Lagos, Nigeria. So engineer brought this laptop. He carry and come talk say if you put charger to the laptop not dey show any sign say e dey alive. Come be like say the laptop don't die. So he come carry and come say engineer abeg help me check and whether you get wetin you go fit do. So this is Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga 12 Core i5 5th gen. So make we confirm wetin cause the engineer talk whether truly na so the system dey behave. So I carry and come give all of us make we for do one together. My expert in the house, I will appreciate your contribution also concerning this particular issue. So make we plug our charger to see whether wetin the engineer talk na true or not. So plug in our charger. Now how we go take know whether wetin talk na true or not be say ordinarily the system suppose display light, LED light when be say be 3.3 volts, but this particular board not get am and all of that. The fan too suppose spin but not get that. So but our only clue to testing the issue now to use our meter. So make we check whether even voltage light they enter the board. So we put our this thing to 20 volts. Let's test for 90 volts. If 90 volts is even entering the board. So hope you are seeing from the meter. Okay. So already you can see that there's no 19 volt entering the board. So it means that our board is totally dead or maybe partially dead. So let's meet on the theater table to see what we can do to this particular issue.